Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that PQRS is a parallelogram. And we are also given some angles. Angle PRPQ is 40 degrees here. And PQ and PR are equal in length. And from here, actually, I will be able to see that. Therefore, from here, triangle PQR or PRQ is isosceles. And isosceles triangle have a very special property in that, yes, this is what we call the base angles of an isosceles triangle. They are equal to each other. And once I know that, once I am able to get the angle PQR, right, I will be able to tap on the property of parallelogram now. In that, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal to each other. So this is the key to get the base angle of triangle PRQ. Okay? So therefore, angle PQR, which is equals to angle PRQ, is simply 180 degrees minus 40 degrees, and I'm going to divide by 2 because the base angles are equal to each other. So this one, I just need to indicate that this is because of the base angle of a isosceles triangle. And this will give me a value of 70 degrees. And from here, we could then gather that angle PSR, which is this angle, is equal to angle PQR because they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. And if they are equal, I will be able to get the value of x already, 70. Do notice that I did not put a degree to the value of x because we are talking about a value here and not the angle per se. And if we are talking about angle PSR, then yes, 70 degrees. Alright, in case you are wondering, okay? We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.